Hello everyone, I'm Sujata Misra, Assistant Lecturer in Computer Science in St. Anthony's Higher Secondary, Ceylon. And we will have Python language now, and I'm going to start with Python language. As you know, Python language is very powerful language and highly demanding language nowadays. Okay, and let's start with our first lesson, Python fundamental. Okay, lesson 1, Python fundamentals. Okay, in this lesson, we will discuss about what are the character sets and the tokens in Python language. The topics to be discussed out here is character sets, tokens, keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. Okay, now let's start with character set. What is a character set? As you know, in every language there is a particular character set. In English also, alphabet A to Z, then the vowels, consonants, punctuators. Even in vernacular language also, E, Ka, Kha, are this. Similarly, in programming language also, certain character sets. What are those? The letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces. Letters are capital A to Z and a small a to Z, digits 0 to 9. And other than this, whatever the symbols in the keyboard, that is our special symbols. That is our percentage sign, hash sign, greater than, less than, comma, full stop. All these are the special symbols. Then why, you must be thinking, why in letters of the capital letter as well as the small letter? One thing we have to remember, Python is very case sensitive. Okay, and the fourth one is white spaces. White spaces also considered under special symbol, but they have the specific purpose. That's why they're separate. It's considered as separate characters. That is your tab, spacebar, and the characteristic tab is the tab key. You get the space and the okay. So white spaces are tab, spacebar, characteristic. Then we are going to the next slide, that is a token. Token. What is token actually? It is the smallest individual unit in a program. Every language, I mean say in English, every sentence is has number of units, lexical units. Each unit is known as token. Okay, so let's take example. Ram is good boy. Ram is proper noun. Then is the auxiliary verb. Good is the adjective. Boy is the noun. That means here we have noun, verb, adjective, and also a noun or pronoun. That means there's certain tokens, the fixed tokens are there for the English language. Similarly, for Python also, different types of tokens are there. Okay, what are those? Keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. These are the different types of tokens in Python language. Now, let's discuss one by one. Now, keywords. Okay, the keywords. Okay, from the word, this term we understand these are the very important words for the language, Python language. What are those? They are the reserved words. Reserved word means it has the predefined purpose. So that's why these are called predefined words. The task already given. And the another important point about these keywords cannot be used for identifiers name. Identifier, that means your variable names. We are any other names like file name, function names. Okay, so we will discuss about identifier in the next slide. Now, identifiers. Identifiers are what? The names given to different program elements. Different program elements means your functions, then your file, then variable. Okay, the names given to these are called identifiers. While you write these identifiers or the names, we have to follow certain rules. These rules we have to learn now. So first is it consists of letters and digits. Each name can have the letters and digits. And second point, uppercase and lowercase letters are different. That means, as I told you, the Python is case sensitive. It consider your small letter and capital letter in different way. And third one, the first character cannot be a digit, though it will be included in the name, but it cannot be the first character. The next one is it should not be a keyword, and last one is it cannot contain any special symbol except underscore. We can include the underscore in the file name. Okay, sorry, in the identifier names. So this underscore can be as the first character too. That's why underscore we can accept it as a letter too. So that's about our identifier. Next token is literals. The other name is constant. So what is literals? Literals are the data items that have fixed value. It has the fixed value. There are different types of literals. One is string literal, numeric literal, boolean, and special literal. What are the string literal? That the literals the values which is enclosed within the double or single quote. Example, say A, B, C, A, T. Even the numbers is within the double quote or single quote, that will become the string. The numeric is two types. You say integer and floating point numbers. In detail about this we will learn in the next lesson. So then boolean literal also there, the truth values, that is true or false, it is fixed, true or false. The special literal, that is none. Sometimes we need the zero value, so in that case we can use the literal as none. So then next is operators. Next token is operators. Operators are symbols that act upon operands. What are the operands? Operands are the literals, variables, or the expression. Let's take the example out here. C equal to A plus 5. This is a statement. This is a statement. Here C is the variable, A is also variable, 5 is the literal or constant, and equal to and plus sign both are the operator. Every operator has specific function. Now just see A plus 5. What we are doing? This plus operator is doing what? Is adding two values. That means here A is the variable, must have some values. So say example A is 4. So 4 plus 5, it will add up and give 9, and equal to sign, the purpose is we assign the value. So whatever the result of A plus 5, that will assign to C. Okay, that's about the operator. Okay, next is punctuators. What are the punctuators? Punctuators are another type of the tokens which organize the sentence structure in a programming language. As we learn in the English language, so we have comma, full stop. Every punctuator has a different task, a different meaning. So here also in Python language, we are using this punctuator too. Okay, and we will continue in the file this Python fundamental in the next lesson. Okay then, thank you.